Hello everyone. In this tutorial, you will learn how can you download Opera GX. So for downloading it, search here Opera GX download and then go to download center. Okay, so this is the Opera's website. So go to here new Opera GX browser and then click here download Opera GX. Then just wait. So here you can see it is downloading. So just wait. So now double click it. Now just wait. A pop-up will open. So here you can see. Now click on accept and install. Click on install, accept. Now it is downloading. So again you have to wait a minute. So here as you can see the Opera GX browser is opened. Now you can start browsing into this browser. So hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And also share this video to your colleagues. Thanks for watching.